Dad Munchies is back. It's 1849, and I done found me some gold in the hills of Northern California. So I went ahead and found a Seahawk, and I killed that Seahawk with my bare hands. And I'm gonna go ahead and grill her up right now. Woo! Check this out, brother. I got this Seahawk right here. I got some nice little seasoning I'm gonna put in the cavity of the Seahawk's ass, along with some rosemary. Here is good for you. Rosemary, it tastes good. And all over. Okay? This is pure protein. Pure protein. Okay? I'm a 49er miner from 1849, and this is a Seahawk, and I'm gonna eat this because I killed it. I'm gonna shove this bear up its ass. Check this out, brother. On she goes. Get in there. God damn it, get in there, I said. God damn it, I said get in there. Look at that. Woo! Hey there, mister. How you doing?
Woo! What's up?
Hey,
Smells good over here. How you doing? I'm Rob's Gold.
nice to meet you.
Oh,
nice
yeah.
to meet you. I'm cooking some Seahawk here. How you doing?
Oh, that's good, man. It looks like some chicken, man.
It tastes like chicken, but it's Seahawk.
Is that?
Come check it out.
What's that right there?
Oh, that's beer. I shoved it up his ass.
Beer?
Yes, sir.
Oh, well, I guess it's good for something, man. Shoot. Well, what's that?
Oh, this here's my lucky dumbbell. I found it in the river.
Oh, this sure is nice, man.
It's pure gold.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
This is my little ball right here, cannonball from the 1812 Battle of the Balls, baby.
Woo! I got some protein. Are you hungry?
Yes, sir.
Well, heck, manners is important. Do you have your manners? Do you respect your mother?
All day, every day, man. I like you, man. How
Woo.
you doing?
That's good stuff.
Well, shoot, this sure would be nice since I'm passing through trying to open up a gym. If I could get a plate of that.
All right, let me see what we got here.
Open up my gym with this.